I really feel like this is gonna work. I think I got a shot this time.
Whoa, 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 it's Queen B, nigga. Jump on.
I've been gone for a minute, now I'm back with the jump off. Booms in the club, case something jump off. Back up for the high, let the pump off.
He needs some milk.
Hey y'all. My camera broke on some all nutty stuff, like just every nut, almonds, cashews, the whole nine. Nutty. My camera, it's something wrong with it. It keeps saying that my SD card is locked. I don't know what that means. So to me, that means that if I can't use it to record, that's broke. Good thing we have cameras on our phones nowadays. I got something to fall back on. So I'm actually trying to see if doing YouTube on my phone is easier than doing it on my camera. So I guess this is a sign. But I'm here about to try to do this hairstyle that I saw, the twist and curl using one product. I would try with one product, but I'm actually gonna try with these two products today, because a lot of body is really good and is really affordable. So I'll be dropping that stuff in the bio. Of course, you already know I got you. Never catch me lacking. You already know. But I'm gonna be using a lot of body Red Me Foaming Mousse, and I'm gonna be using a lot of body Milk Honey with Milk Honey. Restore Me cream conditioner. So we're gonna see, because, and you know what, I bet you, because we in the house and I'm not going nowhere, I bet you it's gonna turn out perfect. I'm using this too, but only because it's only for the ends. I won't be putting it through. It will affect the whole style, so I'm not even gonna do that. But I'll do it for the ends, and then I just got my spray bottle. So yeah, spray my hair. This is an old braid out. This is not even that old for real. It's not old at all. Oh, she got like tools. I don't have not a brush, not a damn comb, nothing. I'm gonna split my hair into 4 sections. And I guess I'll be doing the middle part, because clearly getting bold on them. This one is not straight. Like, this one probably not even in the middle for real. So I'm gonna spray this section a little bit more. I'll be starting with the back or whatever. I don't want to wet it up too much either, because anytime I put rods in my hair, you could just expect my hair not to dry. So I don't even want to go crazy. So I just took that section back there and split it, because we gonna get ready to work with it. So I'm gonna take the cream conditioner. This smells so good, by the way. Like, so good. Like, amazing. Oh snap, I didn't even need that much. See, this is what I be talking about, yo. I didn't even need that much, and I wasn't paying attention. But I'm so used to like having my hair so drenched in whatever I'm using that it's not even like, it's like second nature for me to just throw the whole entire bottle of whatever I'm using on my hair. Like, it's ridiculous. Let's split this section. Well, I'm gonna detangle it a little bit more. Got some perm. Okay, that's nasty. I'm gonna come back probably showing this section, one of these, so y'all can see how it is in the front. Got one section left. All right, I'm going to come back in the morning and we're gonna see what's up with the situation. I really feel like this is gonna work. I think I got a shot this time. I'm gonna take this. It's gonna add shine to my hair. It's the Illuminate Me Shine Mist. Still sticking with a lot of body hair. And I'm gonna just give it a spray. Gonna take some oil, some wild growth oil in my hands, and just kind of have my hands ready to do the takedown, because anytime I'm taking something down, I always use oil in my hands, just because that's good for shining and separating as well. This just got me so lit. This just got me so excited. Like, my hair looks so good and it's not even separating yet. Now here's the part where you don't want to mess much of what you have going on up. Separating is hard. How I try to do it is that, like, if I don't see my hair naturally separated, I won't separate it. However, most of these aren't really separated. Like that one, I was lucky. But you just have to be careful with I don't even separate the back because I can't see back there, so I don't try to go too crazy on where I can't see. Like this right here, that was a bad separation, but we can cover her. She can get lost. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So this is the final look. I am so happy that this turned out nice, and I'm glad that I'm home so I can try certain looks now. And I think I like this better than a regular twist out because I always have an issue with my end. Retrace. They weren't anything that I ever wanted anybody to see, but they had to see it. For me to get here where I am today, we had to come from somewhere. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel. You guys know how I get it popping in my corner of the world, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Yes, you already know the joints come out so good. Like, you already know me. You already know where you need to come for the content, for the natural hair content and the tips and the advice. Like, don't you call for the queen. I'm dead, but I'm gonna see y'all